Hey friends, welcome back. Today I am working on a layout for Off the Board, and I just noticed I have a little issue on my photo, but we're going to ignore that. This is the photo I'll be using. This is my middle child dog and my baby. This is Blue, this is Mason, and they were snuggled up on the carpet having a nice little afternoon siesta. Now, this month, the ladies from Off the Board decided to use the prompt wine, which could be W-I-N-E, W-H-I-N-E, anything that goes in that way. Now, I'm not a wine drinker per se. Like, once or twice a year, I might have a glass of wine. So what I did is I went into some of my kits, and this is a Not Just for Boys kit, and I found one that had a wine-colored piece of paper. So I'm gonna make sure to use that for my background. Now, I have this really great plaid, but I love these envelopes. And the little wax seals on them kind of have a wine color. Now, I might go ahead and bring this in as well. I think it's gorgeous. I also have some of this Ella and Viv oxidation paper that's got kind of a wine vibe in it. We'll see. So those are the papers I pulled so far. Now, for the Off the Board part, let me show you right here. I found this sketch right here, making sure that we're reading that right. It is an Allison Davis for scrapbookgenerations.com sketch, and it's kind of cool. So we have this background. We have a big square in the middle, banners coming down, photos going this way. I will have, whoopsie, I will have just the one photo. We can do embellishments and goodies for the rest. Now, as for embellishments, I only found a couple with a bit of a wine color. These are the Amy Tangerine Late Afternoon embellishments that are in this kit. I like this Falling for You and this little kind of burgundy, which is a wine, burgundy color arrows. So I know I can bring those in. And then I have this Thank You. I might have Thank You for being such a good big brother. That might be kind of where my title goes because I really like that woodcut. Now to go along with that as well, I've got 3 of these cute little like dangly deedly things. There's gold trim on them, so I have to be aware of that. I have that. I've got these really cool buttons that have this ledger kind of vibe on them. I can include that. I also have these really great half pearls. I am so into, oh, baby puppy is crying. I have these cute little half pearls that I'll use in lieu of enamel dots, no doubt. Now, the next thought is, how would I attach those little guys down? I do have these trims that came with this, and I might be able to thread in some of this really gorgeous, it's like a caramel color velvety trim. So I could do something with that. I want to challenge myself to use those little guys while I work through this. So that's what I have going on now. I love these pieces, but I would really have to make it an effort to use these orangey metallic bits. So because it's a little tricky, the gold and the orange metallic, but fall has all those colors. So I'm going to try to maybe work in some of this orange as well. Orange and wine together, maybe not what I'd originally think, but let's try to do as many of the pieces on this kit as we can. I think it might be really, really fun. So let me cut out my pieces, get a better idea of where I want to go with this, and I will come back to you as soon as I have a little bit better grasp. Give me a minute. All right, friends, so I've inked in a bunch of these pieces, right? And I have, let me make sure that's a little straighter. I've inked in pieces. I've made 3 scraps up here into fishtail banner pieces. Nothing is attached down, so I want to work on that part. I am, oh, didn't ink this piece in. I'm just using some, what is it called? All My Memories paper stain in chocolate. No idea where I got it. Might even been in a pay it forward box, but I always have like a dark charcoal-y color as well as a brown ink loaded on my desk with these things because those are the 2 main colors that I use. So I'm going to get these pieces down. Then I need to come up with my title a little bit more. I know I said thank you for being a good big brother. Don't know if I'm going to do that or not. Not really sure. Now, the only alphas I have to go with this set are these right here. And I mean, I have used them ever so nicely. So let's see. Do I have an R left? R-O, no T. So So we're not doing brother out of these. So I'm going to find something to come with the title. I'm going to get these pieces attached down. I'll get the title down and then I'll come back. All right. And I have 3 dogs sleeping on a bed behind me. I was trying to bore the puppy to make him fall asleep. So let's hope that I can get this layout done. Okay. All right, friends, let me catch you up. I ended up using this alpha. It is called Cedar. They are foam letter stickers and they have like tan foam. Yeah, like truly a tan foam on the sides. I love these. I have actually 3 sets of these. I had 1 from a kit and 2 from the a la carte section in the store because they're really that good. So now I wanted to use some of these buttons up. And one of the reasons why I wanted to is because A, they're super cool. I mean, there's ledger on them. Hello. They're super cool. Let's see, where do I want to put it? But I also have a big thing about liking to use up stash. I just got my new kits in the mail yesterday. So it's time for me to use up a little tiny bit more before I crack them open. And I can't wait to start creating with them. I did do my, I ended up getting 3 kits. I got 1 Christmas kit. And I got the main kit for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, as well as, got the main kit, as well as the, what do they call it? Deluxe theme kit? Something like that. They're so cool. They did a beautiful, beautiful job. Which, you know, I'm going to say that because I designed for them, and I designed for them because I love their products. That's how it all works. All right, so. But I am really excited to get into that. This was maybe the September kit. I think it's a September kit. Super pretty. I tend to like to sprinkle my bits around. You know what? I have the 2 big ones kind of too close. So why don't I just go ahead and half tuck that one there. Now I can put these other little half pearls. Oopsie. Oh, and by the way, I am using these Zotz Bling little guys in the minuscule size. They're so cute and so little. So I have, wait, a brown, a white, a brown. I need to get another brown on before I forget my order. I tend to do things better if I do them kind of systematically. Oh, and I put the pearly colored one right there in lieu of putting on any kind of string this time. Just felt like it. All right, now we can put these 2 cream colored pearly ones. They're like these really great half pearls, by the way. It is stuck on my finger. It is stuck. All right, so I have those 2 there. That one will be across 1, 2, 3, visual triangle, nifty. And, oh gosh, I dropped it. So, I did have to take a little break since the last time I was filming here. My puppy had demands. He said, you will not be creating right now. So he's finally back to sleep. In the meantime, I made these cookie brownies, just a mix from Aldi. You know, there are brownies on the bottom and cookies on the top, and I made them in a little muffin tin. So that should be good. We're having a watching The Bachelorette party tonight. Party meaning my kids. Not like a big deal. So I like this. The only thing is I wouldn't mind seeing if I have a little tiny something I can put right there. Like I can cut out those flowers. Am I out of stuff in this kit? Uh-oh. Wait, I do have, now it's too like, I don't know. My writing's in gray over there. Maybe if I ink this up, that will work for me. I need a little something. See, I have the yellow one over there. I don't just want that to be blank because it looks like I need some journaling on it. And quite frankly, these are one of 3,000 pictures I've taken of blue. So it's, you know, not that exciting. I want to make sure that the pearl is part of that, like it's on purpose. I will trim this bit off. Look at how cool the other side of this is, by the way. I will trim that bit off. And then when I do that, I like to go back through. Now, the only other thing I have to do on this to make myself happy is ink the outside edges. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the up close work on this. I'll go through and ink up those edges, and then I will sign off and get this uploaded because it's due tomorrow. I'll have the links down below for everybody else who was a part of the Off the Board series for this month. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. That's it, friends. Bye-bye.